Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more interesting tips and tricks related on iPhone. If you are using iPhone, you are content creator, so this video is very important for you because of Apple are introducing one of the best application, and that application name is the Final Cut Camera. This application is really outstanding. I am currently record this video for this specific application. In this video, we will see detailed demonstration what is the new, how to use, and what exactly we can compare like our local camera application and this one Final Cut Camera application in iPhone. So now let's start as a demonstration on mobile screen. So let's start demonstration. Simply first of all you need to open your app store and just type here Final Cut Camera application, and you can see here first link is display here. I already installed this application. You just simply after installation you just simply open this application. So look at this, this is the application of Final Cut, and now I just simply open here my normal application. If I click here in the video, so look at this here, more dark space, and here 2.8 and HD, two options are showing here. But if I open this one, 4K plus 30 frame per second is coming here, even 13 mm, 24 mm and 120 mm. So look at this, the water tank, and now it's huge space are cover this one. So and you can very easily record the video also from this, like now video is recording start. You can increase the size also if you want zoom, so you can zoom also like this. You can de-zoom, normal criteria, 10 hours you can continue record showing here. You can close this one. Here you can connect continuously 3 different cameras application and 3 different device also. If you have, like currently I am using in iPhone, you have iPad and MacBook, so you can connect those device here. You can change the device name under the setting and very easily connect. Now the device is also not showing here, but you can very easily connect using this tips and tricks. Here the setting options are available, which setting is the best. So my point of view, this setting is very important and best one of the this one. You can change here which one you want, but I go with HEVC. This is a more comfortable format is available here, 4K 1080 or 720. So we definitely go with like a 4K and 30 frame per second HDR high resolution. And after that stabilization, you always on stabilization, and mirror front camera you can also on this one because of stabilization. So if your camera is shaking, so stabilization are more helpful for you to this one. So this is a simple tips and tricks. You can definitely download this application and next time record the video using this application. This application just only record the video, not capturing the picture. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.